Did you know that AppScript now supports inserting smart chips in Google Sheets? So ever since smart chips came out, I've been eagerly waiting for them to fully support the smart chips with AppScript. But this has been slow going. We haven't really had any updates. And we've all been kind of waiting around. So kind of by accident, the other day, I discovered that it actually is possible. It was a little tricky because you can't really find documentation on it. But I was able to discover this solution. I'm going to walk you through it today. So once the file finishes uploading, you can see it drops it as a smart chip right here and drops the file in a folder right here. So I'm going to walk you through the script and what it takes to make this happen. Now, if you're not used to file upload at all, I do have a different video on that generically. So in this one, I'm going to focus on how we do the smart chip. Now, if you don't really want to do any of the coding, then check out my file utility tool that has a much more streamlined interface. If you want something just fancy without having to do anything, this allows you to just drag and drop files in to rename them. You can also link an existing file, change the name there, and then you can create a smart chip just like that. And you can use this as a template for your Google Sheets, or you can just drop the files into any of your existing Google Sheets to use this functionality. So once this is finished uploading, you can see it has the same result as our original file. So let's go ahead and jump into the back end here, and let me show you how this works and what makes this possible. So the first part of this is the generic file upload that I covered in my first video, and I will have a link to that. But I want to jump into the part that makes the smart chip possible. So the smart chip, first of all, you have to use the Sheets Advanced Services, which is here under this. You go down to Google Sheets Services. It's not here anymore because I already have it added. And then when you do that, you have this method, sheets.spreadsheets.batchUpdate. And then you have this resource, which is basically this object that tells what updates you want to do. And then you apply it to that spreadsheet. So in this, we have resource, and then inside this, we have a request. And so we only have one request in here. And so we tell it what cells we update and get that range right here. And then the rows, we're telling it what we're going to put in here. And so this part is the kind of crazy part because there's not really documentation on this. I will tell you as I play around with it, you have to have the string value with @ in it. If you delete it, it will not work. If you put anything in there, it won't work either. So the smart chip isn't really data in the cell. And so you got to make sure this says @ under user entered values. And this part I don't necessarily really understand, but this is how that works, that rich link properties. And you can drop that URL in there. And that's what makes it work. And so once this goes and does that batch update, it churns it into that smart chip. Let me know in the comments below if you have already used this or if this is useful to you, if there's anything else you discovered as well, for all of us that are trying to now implement the new smart chips into our projects. So finally, I'll just quickly show you the index HTML as well. And I will give a link to this so you can download this one for free in the description below so that we can play around with this. There's just a simple HTML with a file upload button. And then this just processes the file and sends it to the backend where then it actually uploads it. All right, so that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.